Alright, I want to do a quick demo of how to package up an InDesign file. So let's say you have your InDesign document all finished up, ready to go. Before you package it up and you get that ready to send to a printer or me, you do want to make sure that you proofread everything. Make sure you triple check all the spelling, punctuation, everything. You want to try to avoid having what we call orphans. I've talked about that a little bit. These sad little lonely orphans, these little words or phrases that are all on their own, not part of a larger line, but kind of just all lonely by themselves. So that's where you'd want to bring it back like this. You do want to double check that the poem, the way the writer has it laid out, you want to respect that if you can. So if they do have, if they do have some of these words, little phrases, just a couple words or like one little word on one line, if that's intentional, if that's part of their poem and how they have it structured, that's okay. You can leave it like that. But it's just one thing I want to just mention real briefly. We want to usually avoid that with text. So we want to bring things on continuous lines so we don't have these lonely little orphan word babies. So like this one right here, again, if the poem itself had this word on its own, that's the way the poet wanted it, you can leave that, right? That's fine. But in general, that's something we want to be really mindful of. So, all right, let's say we have all this ready to go. We're going to package it up. So, how do I zoom out? Why is this fighting me? There we go. All right, we're going to do File in the menu bar. Okay, we're going to package this up. So everything is all going to go in one folder. So we want to go to Package. So again, that's File in the menu bar. We're going to hit Package. Don't worry about these little caution signs. It's not a big deal. This is not something we really need to worry about. So we can just go ahead and hit Package. So it's going to ask you if you need to save it. So you hit Save. And then we're going to tell it where to go, right? So this is where it's obviously going to look different on PC computers than it does on the Mac here. So you're going to want to probably create a new folder and say, this is my final zine files or whatever. Okay. Boop. There we go. So we're going to hit create. We're going to make sure we know what folder this is going into, right? We're going to want to say this is the final print, right? For the file name, everything looks good. Hit save. That did not do what I thought it was going to do. I need to double check. It's actually creating a folder. So when you create this packaged folder, it is actually creating a folder with your InDesign file and all of your linked Photoshop art, all that stuff is going into a folder. So everything looks good here. If you want, you can check this option to include a PDF. That's fine. And we can go ahead and hit package. So it packages everything up into a folder, and that folder, I told it to go here. So actually, no, it's this one. So you can see inside here we have this whole folder. It's got the fonts that we've used. Probably they're all Adobe fonts. We have links. Links folder has all of the layered artwork, all of those Photoshop files or any kind of JPEG images that you linked in your InDesign document. They're all going to be here in this little link subfolder. So this is the actual InDesign file, the INDD format. And also tossed a little PDF in there as well, a little preview PDF. So what I want you to do is once you create that packaged folder, is go to our Google Drive folder here Okay. Go into the Poem Zines project folder, and then I created a little subfolder in here, GD1 Poem Zine Files. So take that folder that has everything packaged up in it, this one, and we're going to want to just bring that in here. And once it's uploaded, you're done. So you packaging up these files will allow me the option of going in there and maybe reformatting things if the printer needs me to like send a different file format or something like that. So you all uploading this actual packaged folder, that's going to be really important, very helpful, and help me save time and not have to reach out and bug you. You know, if some little change needs to happen, I can take care of that. So that's uploaded. So that's it. So packaging up your InDesign file again, just to review. In InDesign, you go File, then Package down at the bottom. Go ahead and hit Package, and everything is okay, but you just want to make sure you know where your what folder you're sending that to, and then you can hit Package. And I'm not going to do it again because I already did it, but that's it.